I'm going to show you two ways of how to make this bioswale geometry in Rhino. So you see there's a little stone bioswale with plants and stuff, and there's a little bridge going over it. So here's the model, looking at it from the other side. And these contours are from CAD. You can adjust elevation in CAD or just do it in Rhino, but I have the very bottom contour, and then this line is the outer boundary. So the easiest way is just patch, and make sure you put enough of these UV spans. That changes how fine the grid is, and that's pretty good actually. So generally I'd stick with that. Sometimes problems are, you see this, it kind of goes below this bottom contour here, just because, like, I don't know, this, let me turn off this architecture. It has like momentum going down this really steep slope, and then it tries to blend the two slopes by like having this big dip here. So one way around that is you can just put some like cross-hatching lines on the flat parts, and then do the same thing, patch, and you see it's a little flatter here. I didn't put enough, but that's pretty good. Another thing is that it'll just have really sharp edges at the boundary, and I kind of want it to like slowly slope down and then go to steep angle and slowly get more shallow to the bottom. So here's a way how to do that. So let me take this outer boundary and break one edge of it. One second. Okay. So I'm gonna draw a profile of the curve I want. So I want the curve to go like this, and then kind of curve around and then blend into this curve. So I can take two curves like this. One, two, oops, I didn't draw that one. Okay, well the command is blend curve. And so I'll click this one, and then I'll click this one, and then look, it'll draw a perfect line between them. And you can adjust these to make it like, maybe I want less shallow at the top. I kind of want it less shallow on both, kind of like that. Okay, and now I can do sweep 2, which takes this curve I just drew. Actually, let me yeah, sweep 2, and then it'll take this and just sweep it between that first rail, and here's the second rail. Actually, let me break this one too. Okay, sweep 2, first rail here, second rail here, cross section curve here. Enter. And look, it'll start out really nice. It'll kind of fuck up here, but you can fix that by this button here, add slash, and that just reminds it that, oh, I need it to be, I want the curve to be drawn here, here. It'll redraw this curve basically wherever you put the lines. So just gotta kind of go around the entire thing, and it does better when the two lines you sweep to have the same amount of control points. So this curve down here is a bunch more than the one up here. I don't know why it's trying to lock to that. Oh, it's because these two aren't joined anymore. Okay, let me try sweep 2 again. Okay, I'll add a few slashes, but you can kind of see where it's going. It's pretty good. Great. And you can see the profile is kept along the entire perimeter. Boom, done. Then you can close this curve and then planar surf or patch to get that final face. Lovely.